Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default email body on the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on Settings. Tap on the button Other in the middle of the screen and click on the third option, Default Email Body. Here you can see this blank space, this white box at the top, so tap on it and type in your the text of the default email. After you are done typing it in, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen and it will be updated automatically. So feel free to edit it anytime by coming back to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.